Today we'll be taking a look at the best steam cleaners you can buy in 2020. And as usual, we have the links to all the steam cleaners mentioned in this video in the description below. And be sure to subscribe for new content and drop a like below. Now let's get straight to the video. Number 5. Shark Lift Away 2-in-1 Steam Pocket Mop S3901. The Shark Lift Away 2-in-1 Steam Pocket Mop S3901 is an upright mop and handheld steam cleaner all in one. If you're after a handheld steam cleaner for tackling everything from floors and countertops to upholstery and grout, the Shark Lift Away 2-in-1 Steam Pocket Mop S3901 is a fine choice. This versatile steam cleaner comes as an upright mop with a handheld unit that clips out of the main body. It includes a great set of well-designed tools, including a grout scrubbing brush with a steam jet in the middle, a flat scrubber attachment, a carpet groomer, and 2 double-sided multi-purpose cleaning mop pockets. It cleans efficiently, making light work of grubby tiles and fusty carpets. The cleaner's 300 ml reservoir is good for 15 to 20 minutes of steaming on the lowest setting, or half of that on the maximum scrub setting. One real upside is that it uses tap water alone to steam off dirt, eliminating the need to buy pricey detergent. Number 4. Duprey Neat Steam Cleaner. A versatile cylinder steam cleaner for all situations. Looking more like the type of product that you might find in the Apple Store, the cuboid Duprey Neat Steam Cleaner is the neatest steam cleaner that we review. Fortunately, beyond its shiny white exterior, this is also an excellent cylinder steam cleaner that ships with all the accessories you need to tackle a range of jobs around the home. It's a touch tricky to fill up the water tank, although at 1.6 liters you shouldn't have to fill it too often. Duprey says that this tank is enough to see you through 15 minutes of cleaning, which is enough to tackle a very tough job or for cleaning a larger area, such as a floor, more regularly. Most importantly, this steam cleaner did an excellent job in all of our tests. It quickly cleaned floors, removed tomato paste from a kitchen counter, brought grouting back to its best, removed lime scale from a shower screen, and made an oven look close to new. The cleaner did all of this without leaving surfaces too wet at the end. Available for a great price, the Duprey Neat Steam Cleaner is a great choice if you need a tool for all types of jobs, from mopping to detail work on tiles. The only downside of the Duprey Neat Steam Cleaner are the slow warm-up times and the need to wait at least 20 minutes between refilling, but they're easily forgivable on such a quality product. Number 3. Shark Click and Flip S6003 UK Steam Mop. The Shark Click and Flip S6003 UK Steam Mop sets a new standard for steam mops. If you're looking for a steam floor mop to quickly clean up hard floors, the Shark Click and Flip S6003 UK Steam Mop could well be the model for you. This well-priced steam mop concentrates on floor cleaning, shipping with a double-sided mopping pad that clips to the bottom of the mop. It's a huge mop, making short work of floors, as you can clean large areas with a single swipe. Cleverly, the click and flip head can flip over partway through a clean, giving you the clean side of the pad to keep cleaning with, without introducing a lengthy changeover. Cleaning performance is brilliant, with the Shark Click and Flip S6003 UK Steam Mop being able to tidy up mud on a tiled floor with ease, and picking up everyday kitchen stains. The Steam Blast function is particularly useful for cleaning up tougher stains. Easy to use and easy to move and brilliantly priced, the Shark Click and Flip S6003 UK Steam Mop is the best steam mop that we've ever tested. If you've got lots of hard floors, this is a great model to buy. Number 2. Bissell Vac&Steam 1977E. Our favorite budget steam cleaner. The Purcell Vac&Steam 1977E is a fantastic time saver, vacuuming and cleaning at the same time. We loved the original, and now the 1977E model has had a small update and now comes in a fetching blue color. As a standalone steam cleaner or a standalone vacuum cleaner, this model won't win any awards, yet the combination of the two features produces some powerful cleaning results. With a 400-watt bagless vacuum cleaner and a 1100-watt steam heater, small particles are sucked up before the microfiber pad steams the floor and picks up stains. For well-trodden areas in your home with hard floors, the Bissell Vac&Steam 1977E can effectively halve your cleaning time. Purcell recommends 3 passes for the dirty area, and that worked well, picking up dust and removing stains and blemishes. The downside of the system is that it's not very flexible, and it's neither a good vacuum or a flexible and powerful steam cleaner. Still, it's the combination of parts that is important, and the Bissell Vac&Steam 1977E delivers on hard floor cleaning. Number 1. Karcher SC5 Easy Fix Premium Steam Cleaner. The Karcher SC5 Easy Fix Premium Steam Cleaner has been tested and it is trusted. With its 2-liter water reservoir, you can clean a large amount of space at one go. Variable steam control power lets you control the SC5's output so you can tackle more delicate jobs. It's the vapor hydro that really grabs attention. This model mixes water with steam, giving a kind of pressure washer action. Karcher provides accessories for almost every job. There's an easy fix floor mopping head complete with washable microfiber cloths and a carpet glider. A large square brush gives you power for tough cleaning, and a detail nozzle which takes a small round brush, small detail brush and power nozzle. In fact, the only thing missing is a window cleaning tool. On all surfaces from hard floors and carpets to tiles and windowsills, the SC5 proved itself to be a powerful performer, shifting stubborn dirt. And it can do it at speed. In fact, we've never seen a steam cleaner that can clean a hard floor so quickly. For all-round cleaning ability, the Karcher SC5 Easy Fix Premium Steam Cleaner is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, and make sure you click the subscribe button below.